In this video, we're going to combine everything we learned to make a holy weapon. Even though this weapon doesn't look very holy, we can still make it look holy. At least by changing the colors. So let's reference this weapon. We're going to apply emissions and metallic reflectiveness. This weapon doesn't have any non-solid or pattern colors, so we don't need to tick this box right here. Get colors. And I'm going to select everything. I'm going to choose a golden color. Between gold and gold orange / yellow. I'm going to want this a bit more on the silver side. And I'm going to keep randomizing it until I find something I like. I could do it manually, but I'm too lazy for that. And I think this right here looks pretty decent. Now I'm going to apply some metallicness to the region that I feel like they should be sharp. And I think the blade is a good example. And I'm going to increase the reflectiveness. And maybe a little bit on the metallic side. I don't want it to look too realistic, so I won't increase the metallicness too much. Now I'm going to deal with the emissions. I would like this region to be emissive. I'm going to select the emission right here. I'm going to check the emission color. I want it to be on the white side, but a little bit of a yellow glow. So I'm going to move it towards orange a little bit. I'm going to click on the emissions tab. Increases intensity. And I'm going to make it a bit more golden. Too golden. A bit of white is nicer. And maybe this is too intense. That looks nice to me. I would like to make the gem at the bottom also glow. I'm going to select it. That color looks pretty decent too. And this region in the middle, if we can find it. There it is. But black won't glow, so we're going to change it to something golden or white like this. The bottom gem looks a bit too bright. So, that's not the bottom gem. So I'm going to reduce this intensity and the color. That's more like it. Just like that, we have a new weapon. Now I'm going to go to build. I'm going to auto assign to current object. I'm going to include emissions and include metallic and reflection texture. And I'm going to prevent same colors from merging. This is important if I want to ever recolor this weapon again. Otherwise, the colors could be merged into one color and it would make it difficult to repaint those same regions that have the exact same color. Holy weapon. Build. As we finish building, it will show you this new material right here. And you can assign this new material to any other weapon you'd like to add it to.